Ordering pizza. Hello, Pizza House. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to order 2 pizzas.
Sure. What would you like?
First pizza, pepperoni.
What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Thin or regular crust?
Regular.
Okay. 1 medium pepperoni, regular crust. And the second pizza?
Cheese and ham.
What size?
Medium.
Thin or regular crust?
Thin, please. Can I add onion?
Yes, you can. It is $1 extra.
That's okay.
Any sauces?
What do you have?
Garlic, tomato, and spicy.
1 garlic sauce, please.
Would you like any drinks?
Yes, 1 iced tea.
Small or large?
Large.
Let me repeat your order.
Okay.
1 medium pepperoni, regular crust. 1 medium cheese and ham, thin crust, with onion. 1 garlic sauce and 1 large iced tea. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Delivery or pickup?
Delivery, please.
What is your address?
25 Green Street.
It will take about 30 minutes.
Great. How much is it?
$24.
Okay, I will pay cash.
Perfect. Thank you for your order.
Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.
Buying a sofa. Hello, can I help you?
Hi. Yes, I'm looking for a sofa.
What kind of sofa are you looking for?
A big one for my living room.
What color?
I was thinking about a brown one.
Okay, leather or fabric?
Fabric, please.
Soft or firm?
Soft.
Do you want a sofa with a sleeping function?
Yes, that would be good.
I have something here. Brown, fabric, soft and large.
Can I see it?
Of course.
It looks nice.
You can sit on it.
It's very comfortable.
It also opens into a bed.
Can you show me?
Sure, like this.
Oh, that's easy.
Yes, very simple.
I like it. How much is it?
It's $850.
Okay, that's a good price.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I would.
Do you need delivery?
Yes, please.
What is your address?
14 Park Street.
Delivery is in 3 days.
That's perfect.
Great. Let's go to the cashier.
Baking an apple pie. What are you doing?
I'm looking for coffee. But what are you doing?
I'm making an apple pie.
Apple pie? Really?
Yes. Do you want to help me?
Sure. What should I do?
First, wash the apples.
Okay. How many?
All of them.
That's a lot of apples.
We need many apples for a good pie.
All right. I'm washing them.
Good. Now peel them.
Peel them. This takes time.
Yes, cooking takes time.
I didn't know it is so much work.
Now you know.
Okay. Apples are ready. What next?
Cut them into small pieces.
Like this?
Smaller.
Smaller? They will disappear.
They won't disappear. Just cut them.
Okay. I'm cutting.
Good. Now put them in this bowl.
Done.
Add sugar.
How much?
2 spoons.
Big spoons or small spoons?
Big spoons.
Good question, right?
Yes. Very important question.
Sugar is in. What now?
Add cinnamon.
I like cinnamon.
Me too. Just a little.
Oops. Maybe that is not a little.
That's a lot.
It will be very tasty.
I hope so.
What next?
Mix everything.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
And the dough?
I'm making it now.
Can I help?
Yes. Put flour on the table.
Like this?
Not so much.
Oh, Sorry.
Now the whole kitchen is white.
It looks like snow.
Okay, help me roll the dough.
This is fun.
Yes, but don't eat it.
I wasn't going to. Okay, maybe a little.
Put the apples on the dough.
Done.
Now cover it.
It already looks good.
Yes, it does. Now put it in the oven.
Okay. How long?
About 40 minutes.
That is long. I'm hungry now.
You must wait.
Waiting is the hardest part.
Don't worry, it will be worth it.
I hope so. I worked very hard.
Yes, you did.
Healthy Eating Challenge. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning the fridge.
Why? It looks fine.
No, it's not fine. We need to eat healthy.
Healthy? What do you mean?
I don't want processed food in our house anymore.
Wait, all of it?
Yes, all of it. Chips, soda, frozen meals, gone.
That is a lot. Are you serious?
Very serious.
Okay, I didn't know we were doing this today.
We have to start now. No more bad food.
But what about my pizza?
Gone. Sorry.
Gone? But I was going to eat that tonight.
Not anymore. We need fresh vegetables and fruit.
Fresh. Okay, I can try.
You will love it. We can make smoothies, salads. It's fun.
Fun. Last time I tried a smoothie, it was green and weird.
This one will be delicious, I promise.
I don't know.
Trust me, it's good for you and me.
Okay, I will try, but don't take all my snacks.
Don't worry, I won't take healthy snacks.
Healthy snacks? What's next? Carrot chips?
Exactly, and fruit bars.
Carrot chips. Okay, maybe it's not too bad.
See, you will like it.
All right, I guess we start fresh today.
Yes, welcome to our new healthy life.
Wow, my fridge has never looked so empty.
It's okay, we will fill it with good stuff.
Okay, I will help, but I hope I survive this.
Buying a family car. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for a car.
Sure. Manual or automatic?
Automatic, please.
Do you have something specific in mind?
Yes, I'm looking for a big family car.
Okay.
We just had a baby, so I need more space.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
SUV or sedan?
I think an SUV.
Good choice. More space for a stroller.
Yes, that is important.
New or used?
Used is fine.
What's your budget?
Around $20,000.
Okay.
How many seats do you need?
5 seats are enough.
Do you need a large trunk?
Yes, for the stroller and bags.
No problem.
Do you want a backup camera?
Yes, that would be good.
Bluetooth?
Yes, please.
I have one car for you. Automatic, large trunk, very good for a family.
Can I see it?
Of course, follow me.
It looks nice. It's very comfortable. Can I sit inside?
Yes, the seats are big, and the trunk is large. That's perfect. Would you like a test drive?
Yes, I would.
Great, I will get the keys.
Thank you.
Trouble seeing. Look at this article.
Can you zoom in a little on your phone?
Sure. Like this?
A bit more. I still can't read it.
What? Really? Are you serious?
I can't read small letters.
Oh, maybe your eyesight is getting worse.
I think so. It's harder to see things close.
You should go to the eye doctor.
Yes, I will call tomorrow. I don't want it to get worse.
Don't wait too long. It's important.
I know. I can't ignore it.
Do you need me to go with you?
Maybe. I will see.
It's okay. I can go with you.
Thank you.
Did you try glasses?
Yes, but my glasses are old.
You need a new checkup.
I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Maybe you just need new glasses.
I hope so.
Let's call the doctor tomorrow.
Yes, I will call in the morning.
Good. Do you want me to read the article to you now?
Yes, please.